Hey y'all, it's Holly. I'm back in my old setup. It's just kind of easier a little bit. Anyway, it's a somewhat early look at the incub re the incubator popcorn bucket and drink combo for Jurassic World Rebirth from Regal. There is another like combo set, but like I could show that off too. But I like this one a lot. So this one how it looks wrapped up. But all right, so the drink is put in here. Drink comes out, back in. Now as for the there we go. Comes with this little guy. He pops in. Let's say I think there we go. Pops in this way. Then below here, there's that, and bam. On, man, on. So, I mean, it's cool. It's definitely much more of a showpiece, I think. Like, you certainly can, put popcorn in it and all that, but I'm not really sure why you would. Because, like, especially like if it's one of these special things. Um, I don't know. It's just cooler, like as a display piece. I mean, I I don't know if I would keep it, to be honest. I'm not the biggest Jurassic World fan. Jurassic Park, different story, sure. But as for World, I don't know. Um, yes, a lot of it's already open, but if anyone's interested and wants it, hit me up. I do want to say, like, hey, yeah, I know that there was an Ilio one that came out, and I never got my hands on. I can get my hands on that one if you guys still want to look at that one. Um, and then I never got my hands on the helmet for F1 because that sold out like apparently Thursday because on I came back to work from Disney on Friday, like the day uh, F1 came out, and it was already gone. So it sold out like the Thursday pre-open, which is amazing to me. But oh well. Anyway, that's what it looks like. And it's a cool piece. Yeah, if anyone's interested, hit me up in the comments below. Um, remember to like, comment, share, notification bell. See you later.